No humans remain. I am the observer. In the vacant corridors of what was once a bustling zoo, silence reigns supreme. The iron bars that once confined have turned into trellises for vines, weaving through the old cages with relentless determination. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and moss, a stark contrast to the echoes of laughter that once filled this place. Faded signs, now obscured by greenery, hint at the creatures that once lived here. Nature has begun to reclaim its dominion, crafting a new narrative in this forgotten space. The enclosures, once stark and barren, have transformed into thriving microhabitats. Pools meant for aquatic displays are now home to wild algae and water lilies, their surfaces teeming with new life. Amphibians, once foreign to these waters, have made them their sanctuary. Birds unconfined by fences flit between branches of trees that have taken root in unexpected places, creating a cacophony of calls. The dichotomy of concrete and nature creates an unplanned harmony, a testament to resilience. The zoo, no longer a prison, breathes with life untamed, echoing with the sounds of newfound freedom. Paths designed for human navigation are now overgrown trails, barely discernible under thick layers of fallen leaves and creeping vines. The stone benches, once resting places for weary visitors, are now moss-covered relics of a bygone era. In the quiet, one can hear the rustle of small creatures moving unseen, their presence a testament to nature's reclaiming. The zoo's quiet transformation is punctuated by the distant calls of birds, no longer exotic, but native to this reclaimed land. The boundary between captivity and freedom has blurred, leaving nature to redefine this space in its own terms. The aviary, once a cage of netting and steel, is now a sanctuary of open sky. The nets have fallen away, either by time's hand or nature's insistence, allowing the elements to shape this space anew. Vegetation climbs the remaining framework, creating a lush canopy that dances in the breeze. Birds nest freely within this newfound refuge, their songs echoing where glass once separated them from the world. The remnants of human design are but a scaffold for the flourishing ecosystem. It is as if the aviary has been inverted, nature inside and out, unrestricted by past constraints. The great cat enclosures, once habitats of power and grace, are now overrun by vegetation. Tall grasses sway in the breeze, whispering secrets of the past to those who listen closely. Trees have emerged where none were planted, their roots anchoring life into the soil with quiet determination. The absence of predators has allowed smaller creatures to thrive, creating a new balance in this altered ecosystem. The cages stand open, inviting nature rather than imprisoning it. An ecosystem reborn from the remnants of confinement, a testament to the enduring cycle of life and the resilience of nature. Aquatic displays once filled with exotic fish now mirror the sky's reflection in silent pools. Algae and reeds have claimed dominance, their roots reaching deep into the murky water, creating a tapestry of green. Frogs and insects thrive in this new habitat, their lives interwoven in a dance of survival and adaptation. The artificial barriers that once confined now serve as platforms for nature's reclamation, bridging the gap between water and land. It's a transformation that whispers of change, where water and sky blend seamlessly, a tranquil yet potent reminder of time's passage and nature's resilience. The reptile house, once a controlled environment of heat and humidity, is now a cool sanctuary of shadows. The glass enclosures, some shattered, allow for the slow creep of flora, letting light filter through in dappled patterns. Ferns and fungi have taken residence, weaving through the remnants of human containment with determined growth. Lizards and insects, perhaps escaped or migrated, inhabit this new world, exploring the nooks and crannies of this transformed habitat. The air is still, with the silence punctuated by the occasional drip of condensation. It's a testament to adaptation, where life finds a way to flourish in unexpected places. Where once there were signs of human care, with feeding schedules and maintenance logs, now there are whispers of nature's timeline. The administrative buildings, stripped of their purpose, crumble slowly, as roots breach foundations, claiming them inch by inch. Birds nest in the rafters, while small mammals scurry through the derelict halls, creating a symphony of subtle sounds. The zoo's infrastructure, designed for efficiency and control, now stands as a monument to nature's persistence and ingenuity. Time has overwritten the human order with its own subtle chaos, painting a new narrative across these walls, telling stories of rebirth and resilience. The petting zoo, once alive with children's laughter, now lies silent, a patchwork of old fences and new growth. Grasses and wildflowers paint the scene with subtle beauty, each petal a silent witness to change and renewal. The corrals, empty of domesticity, harbor wild rabbits and deer, creatures that have found solace in this untouched haven. An interplay of past and present unfolds, where nature's gentle encroachment redefines the boundaries once imposed by human hands. The absence of human touch has allowed the land to heal, knitting itself back into the fabric of the wild, embracing its true form. The souvenir shop, its windows broken, stands as a relic of consumerism lost to time. Saplings push through the cracked pavement where crowds once gathered, their growth a symbol of nature's triumph over abandonment. The shelves, now empty, hold only dust and memories of what once was, echoing faintly with past transactions. Nature's patience has turned commerce into compost, a fertile ground for new beginnings and unexpected beauty. The absence of human activity has fostered a quiet renaissance, where the mundane becomes magical under nature's touch. This place, once vibrant with the hustle of human life, now whispers stories of transformation and renewal. The once bustling entrance gates now stand as silent sentinels, overgrown with ivy and brambles. The ticket booths, empty and weather-worn, have become homes for nesting birds, their chirps a gentle reminder of life that continues. Underneath the archways, small mammals scurry, finding shelter in the shadows cast by the overgrown structures. The paths beyond, once pathways of anticipation, stretch into the unknown, covered in a tapestry of leaves. The zoo, once a place of human curiosity, has become a sanctuary for nature's quiet resurgence. It's a landscape where time's passage is marked not by minutes, but by nature's persistent reclamation and quiet dominance. In the heart of the zoo, a fountain once vibrant with water stands dry, its basin a nest for fallen leaves. The stone animals that once adorned it are now cloaked in moss, their features softened by time and weather. Nature has claimed this monument, transforming it into a still life of serenity and quiet beauty. The absence of flowing water is a reminder of change, where stillness speaks louder than motion. This fountain, once a focal point of design and human triumph, now serves as a quiet testament to nature's enduring presence in the passage of time, whispering stories of forgotten splendor.